Binance CZ plans to stand by Elon Musk, Twitter bid, according to Bloomberg. There should be some fireworks happening soon with the $44 billion bid acquisition from Elon Musk. Let's talk more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Binance CEO said this, plan to honor his financial commitment to Elon Musk, take over Twitter, even as prospective deal faces a potential challenge from Washington, Bloomberg reported. Now, when asked during a conference Tuesday in Saudi Arabia whether he will stand by it, the Binance CEO said this: I think so. Officials with the Biden administrations are considering whether to subject the Twitter deal to the national security reviews, along with some of Musk's other ventures, as Bloomberg reported it, last week. Now, officials are reportedly concerned with the number of foreign investors that pledged the funds. But look at this. Binance agreed to contribute $500,000 to Musk's $44 billion bid. The crypto exchange is among dozens of investors that also includes Quarter Wealth Fund, venture capital firms Sequoia and Fidelity. Now, Musk said this month that he wanted to buy social media, the social media platform, after backing out the deal in July after being sued by Twitter. So we'll see what happens. It's supposed to happen very, very soon, an acquisition of Musk buying Twitter, and I'm seeing Binance agreeing to contribute $500,000 towards this bid. So that's interesting news here. We'll see what happens. You see Twitter, crypto, Elon Musk, Binance, all of a sudden getting involved in this. Let's see what happens down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.